What's good everybody, it's Sean here and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Diamond Supply Co. collaboration with Nike on the SB Dunk Low in the white diamond colorway. These drop on November 10th for $100 US or $140 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is white, chrome, and tropical twist. So these guys right here released alongside two other colorways, so there was a black diamond colorway and a canary or yellow diamond colorway as well. Unofficially, all three of these are a sequel to the original and iconic SB Tiffany Dunk that released in the mid-2000s. Of the three that dropped this month, the black colorway was the most easily attainable, and then this one, and then the yellow one was super limited and of course, really tough to get. So these white diamond dunks come in the iconic pink Nike SB box. Of course, we have the large Nike SB logo at the top in black, and then taking a look inside, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it also comes with the signature wood grain paper as well. So jumping straight into the shoes, so this is your classic Nike SB Dunk Low silhouette. For the most part, the shoe is constructed using a flat white leather. You'll see on the toe box that we have the signature perforations found throughout, and to be completely honest with you guys, the quality of this flat leather isn't the best. Despite all the hype surrounding the shoe, the leather itself has a bit of a plasticky feel to it, and I was a little bit disappointed with this. Surrounding the edge of the toe box, the leather here has a bit of a crocodile print finish to it, so you'll see that there's these large scales throughout. On the mid panel of the shoe, once again we have that smooth leather, and then overlaid on top of this, we have this chrome swoosh. So one of the very unique things about this shoe is the chrome swoosh is actually stuck onto the shoe using Velcro. So you could theoretically remove the swoosh, revealing the tropical twist underlay of the Velcro that's revealed underneath. Towards the back heel, we have more of that croc skin leather. And then taking a look at the very back of the shoe, so we have this heel flap that has the Nike branding stitched on top, and this heel flap can flip open, revealing the word diamond underneath. The tongue in this case is your signature stuffed SB Dunk tongue. This is constructed out of white nylon, and then at the very top, we have a tag that has both the diamond and Nike SB logos, and this is identical to the tag that was found on the original Tiffany Dunks. On the back side of the tongue, you'll see that there's this quilted finish to it, giving it a nice luxurious touch. Overlaid on top of this tongue, we have your signature oval-shaped laces in white. Another nice addition to this is that the lace tips actually have a chrome finish to them, and they have the words Diamond Supply Co. engraved as well. In addition to the white laces, Nike also gives you a secondary pair of laces as well, so these ones are colored in tropical twist, which you can change to if you want some added pop to the shoe. So the interior liner of this shoe is colored in white and it's stuffed all around. And then taking a look at the insoles, so this is your standard Nike SB insole. So to be honest, it's fairly thin. We have the tropical twist finish on the top with the Nike SB and Zoom Air logos on the heel. And then flipping the insole over to the back, you'll see that there's a Zoom Air bag on the heel and extra foam padding on the forefoot for impact protection. So the upper of these white diamond dunks sits atop this full-length white colored foam midsole. As I turn this over to the bottom, so here we have your classic dunk outsole, but the unique thing about this is that the entire outsole is done in this translucent finish. Unlike recent Jordan retros that have a bit of a blue tint to them, in this case, the translucent rubber is more of a pure white, which means these probably will yellow pretty easily with time. Rounding this all out, you'll see right in the center, we have a Nike logo as well. In terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I always grab my Nike SB Dunks in a size 10.5. Some people can stick true to size, but for me, because of the padded tongue, I prefer to go up to the 10.5 just to give me a looser fit and additional room around the shoe. For comparison's sake, size 10.5 is the same size that I would get in other Nike sneakers like the Air Max 1, the Vapor Max, and the Epic React Flyknit. From a comfort standpoint, so I've never really found SB Dunks to be that comfortable. The cushioning is pretty minimalistic, and despite having a Zoom Air bag in the heel, to be honest with you guys, I can't really feel that cushioning underneath my feet. In addition, this leather feels a little bit stiff, so I feel like you need to really break this in and crease up the shoe a bit until it softens up. From a quality standpoint, so there's nothing crazy about this shoe. As I mentioned earlier, the leather is pretty average, but fortunately there was no manufacturing issues or flaws. Everything seemed to be put in place. There's no visible glue stains on my pair, so you get what you kind of expect for a $100 US shoe. So with all of that out of the way, let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these guys look on feet. The SB Dunk line has been a huge part of sneaker history, and I personally am happy to see all the limelight that SB Dunks have been getting in the past few months. Of the 3 that released this month, this white colorway is by far my favorite, so I'm super stoked to add this shoe to the collection. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these white diamond Nike SB Dunk lows. If you guys like this video, be sure to give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below. Check out my Instagram at esco8, my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for the continued support. We're almost at 50K, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video.